Hello everyone, this is Maria again and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded because I was saving for a camera and then I missed vlogging, so I decided nga mag-vlog na lang kung balik. Oy, hindi na ako magulat sa akong camera. And this is my outfit for today. Actually, arios ni siya guys. Ako lang siyang himong kulintas. Wala ka bantay, baby, no?
No.
See? Innovative.
Very creative.
Very creative.
No,
We're now here in Burbank because we are going to Hollywood. Actually, dugay ako gasig ko niya nga mo adto tag Hollywood lang ga because I've never been to Hollywood. Meron nga to meron.
Hollywood sign. It's a difference. You've been to Hollywood, but not the sign.
Okay, sign day, Hollywood sign. Say hi to my vlog.
Like my shirt?
Wala, napik ko.
Wait, is it? What does it say?
In the back, it says, dili man, kuan man sa likod, ganang murag mirror, gani.
Oh.
But, ako na lang basahon. Sa likod, ang nakabutang, if lost, please return to Maria. Maria is me.
No shit, Sherlock.
Yeah. No, kasi mo bibi ako ngalan is Tiray man. Tiray, Tireng, Tinging, Ying.
Oh, what is this? Why is it black? It's from your ink of your eyelash. Or whatever.
It's an eyeliner, dummy.
Eyeliner.
Do you like my eyeliner now? Sharp, right? Sharp enough to kill you, Charot.
No.
Sharp enough to kill someone. That's a line from a TikTok. What's that, boss?
What's that?
Is that a bus? Oh, it's Amazon Prime Day. Ha! Ang mga bus dari color orange mo isa.
I'm sorry.
Again, mag-intro ko balik. Hi everyone! Grabe po nang ubuha, oy! Please, let me have this intro. Baby, pa-intro ka sa ko. Hi everyone! This is Maria again and welcome back to my channel. Really? Giobo akong kauban, Giobo. Sige, take 3.
4.
Hi everyone!
Take 4.
Hi everyone, this is Maria and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to Hollywood! Sign. Hollywood sign. Okay, I've never been there since I got here and it's just like 30 minutes away. Dere.
Yeah, the traffic.
Not here because we're 11 minutes away na lang, but from their house, it's 30 minutes away. So, yeah, mga dumi dito. What's that car? Tsada lagi to.
That's a Porsche.
A Porsche?
Porsche.
Yeah, I just saw a Porsche. 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 Ano, sakto na ba kung pronounce?
Porsche.
Porsche. Basta sakyanan. And I just decided to wear yellow green today because why not? At first mura siya para nako mura siya kulay ang day mura taga-bukid day, pero nadugay okay naman day siya. Ako lang a pair of white and of course nga ko ang kauban kaputi na pud siya, ning short ra jump na siya forever na siya until death na ni siya do a sport. Di kasal mo na yung sanina, baby.
Yeah, I got married in this shirt.
But he just likes white. Lantaw niya sakyanan ba puti po. Everything is white except his itlog.
What?
Agatha all along. Oh, si Agatha na siya yung movie, baby. Kabalo kinsa na wala.
No.
Kato man ang kaaway ni Wanda. Para kitag Wanda and kinsa to yung husband ni Wanda? Atong na Diamond anya ni Snowong ba?
Indian.
Vision. Si Wanda is husband na siyang Vision. And kita ko na yung movie diri si Agatha. Muna siya ag koan anime ni Wanda sa ilahang world because Wanda created their own world, baby. So that Vision will still be alive. Kaya di ba namatay si Vision? He wants Vision to live again, so she created her own world with Vision and their kids. And kana nga witch betos Wanda. Muna yung kaaway. Manglantaw ta anak, baby.
That's a Disney Plus.
Tuntawa from the twisted minds that brought you WandaVision. Told ya. By the way, guys, do you like my makeup?
It's alright.
What's lang ba to?
It's nice, really nice.
Maraglay ako nadunggan ganiha.
It's nice. There's something in my throat. It's really nice.
Better.
So guapa kayo na eh.
I know. Duh. Cheddar.
But the attitude's not guapa.
Trap. Grabe naman ka, Dudong.
That's true.
Langga, biat ikaw.
I know.
Mahunong niya kung luto ni mo niya. Kay pamahaw.
I take that back.
On the way to Hollywood na mi, guys. Kuan na lamang 8 minutes away. I will show you Hollywood first. Hala, tsara lagi ning diri, bebe. Mangmura lagi ning subdivision. Mga rich people ning naa diri, no?
That's nice.
So, I'll show you. Ano siya, guys? Tsara kay mga balay diri, guys. Mar siya gato yung mga Marshall subdivision sa mga dato. Sada kayo, no? Ay, paangat dahil ni bebe?
No, Bubba, it's going down.
Really?
Yeah.
Paangat mo. Hala, murag dirito na nga to katong kitang James, no?
No, we've never been here.
Really? Musa na itong gatuan na to ni James itong na-hike ko ba? Na-faded ko for the first time.
It's not that here. It's the other side.
Wala, tsada lagi diri mura lagi ni Grunge. Nakaadto, nakadiri. Sige lang ga.
A few times maybe.
Wow, this is so nice. Wow, it's all the way up, papaangat pang maayo. There it is! I can see it now! Oh my gosh! What? I'm in Hollywood finally! Oh, I'm so excited. Are you excited, baby? Ito na ko yung tangoron.
Yup. Put it in your missing teeth.
I think wala na yung parking ganyan na mauli lagi ng uban. They're like, pauli na daw. Wala yung parking dito sa taas daw. So, nag-park na may mo na mong sakyanan na adi as likod. Kay, kasi you can see, oh, nag-as kayo ang linya niya. At wala kita may parking. So, ni-park na may. Kay, badugay na po niya. Ikutasan naman ko pag-umagin atong gawas. Yeah. So nice though. Here? Are we going here? Oh, there's a park there, baby. Oh, I'm so happy! Come on na!
The sun's about to set, Bubba. We gotta go there before the sun sets.
Di ba excited, bebe? Naunsan din nga lang sa kinana?
Oh, Mustang.
Mustang. Bago naging Mustang dere, bebe. O, kinsay pabugaw diya. O, dahil baka dagang. Naidagang mga kuhan dere, puti. Kani o, puti. Puti man siya. Puti og sanina. Puti og sanina.
Oh, look.
Ayan, ara. If lost,
Just flip it. Just flip it in the video.
if lost, please return to Maria. Guys, we're finally here sa Hollywood sign. As you can see, naghan kayo mga tao, guys. Naghan kayo nga nagparking, oh. Wala siya daw sa sunset. Very nice naman. I'll zoom it, Bubble. Look, what? Finally, I'm here. Really? Nag-low battery sign siya. So nice. Take a video of me daw dito, babe.
Be there then.
I'm here finally after 3 months of being in US. Karon pa ko niya gidala diri day. There's a lot of
right under, so then I can actually have both of my hands here. Let me know how to adjust.
Look at the sunset! So nice!
Look at the view there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so ang Hollywood na dito, kita ka na. Tapos nangyari mi sa opposite side, which also has a very nice view. Yeah! So nice. The sunset is so nice. Dali, baby. Come here. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Again, I'm taking a photo.
Why is it like, did you do this on purpose? Like different colors?
Yeah. That's called bronzer. Contour. Lah, kabalo lagi ka bayit, tay ka dong.
Look at that house over viewing that lake.
Asa, what? Gani. Sana all. Mag-picture sa ta. Pictures ako, baby. This is a lake ni Babona Reservoir.
Reservoir.
Once again.
Reservoir.
Reservoir?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Lain na po gabi. And then this are rich people houses. Damn, what a nice view. We're here na finally, and sunset pa jud. Very nice. And yun na yours, the Hollywood side. There it is. Arita dapita kay na ani oh, layangay. Arita yung dapita. There it is. Oh my gosh, look at that, everybody. What a dream come true. Wow. Kita mo ng Hollywood nga sign. We're going there. Mas dool kay dere Cotabra sa viewing deck. And we want to go nearer. But if mo to me dito, unfortunately, likod na siya. Wala, dili na makakita sa word nga Hollywood, but that's okay. At least makadoon. Pwede ko makahikap pa na, bebe?
No.
Dili nakakanaog diya.
I told you we can't go like next to it. To go on top of it.
Oh, wala na maligid kape diri. What kaayo? Yeah.
That's a cool setup.
Yeah.
Just like a mobile, you know.
Wala, dala siyang dog. Madala ra dyan ako si Rochi diri. Maglagan-lagan dito si Rochi diri. And mubark siya. English na yung bark. Imbes ang Bisaya ra kay itong bark. Ow! Ow! Ano na siya? Arf! Arf! Yeah, see you later. See you later on top. Guys, mga tatami sa babaw sa Hollywood, diba? Akong giingon. But sadly, private naman dito nga party naman tatuan. So we're here now in Burbank. Burbank, baby?
Burbank,
Yeah, we're now here in Burbank. We'll go to a mall. I don't know what's the name of the mall, but we're gonna charge the Tesla and we're gonna buy some snacks too. And then after this, we're gonna go to Universal Studios. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog, everyone. I hope that you enjoy. And again, this is Maria Morena. Please continue to follow my social media pages. That is Maria Morena in Facebook's Asian Chick, the one here. Muna siya akong Instagram and YouTube, of course, it's Maria Morena or Maria Teresa Silva. And mga unta ninyong tanan. Adios. Mwah. Bye.